This is a certificate given to Christ Lord Ministries.
Christ Lordship Ministries.
As I met anointed man of God, Apostle Prophet Rauben Habasa, I found the grace of God upon his life. The Spirit of God ministered to me to offer him this appreciation certificate. This certificate as appreciation is not only words, but what is written there is going to be done in the name of Jesus. We have laid the foundation of Wind of Change Crusade. So this is a beginning. All the nation of Uganda should honor this. All the entire world should be honored this, because it is their blessing.